on as requested. I'm still kind of confused about that request, but like, I don't know, I just thought I'd do a video where I wasn't wearing my glasses or contacts. So yeah, thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers. It means a lot to me, and I never imagined that my channel would like grow this much. I know 50 subscribers is still not that much in like compared to other people, but for me it means a lot. So I just thank you guys a lot for that. And if you have any suggestions for further videos, let me know. And also, if you weren't mentioned in this shout out video and you did subscribe to my channel, then I'm sorry, I really didn't mean to exclude you. Just comment down below and I'll make sure to include you in my next one.